Hi and welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import your spreadsheet CSV Excel to Trello. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Google search bar and type in Trello over there and simply log in or sign up. So if you haven't signed up yet, first thing you would have to do is to sign up, and if you have, just simply head over to your login button and log into your Trello account, and to take you to your Trello dashboard. So to function on Trello, the first thing you would have to do is click on the board you would want to work with. For this video, I would work with my project. All right, and it will take me straight up to this page. So to import a spreadsheet CSV Excel to Trello, the first thing you want to do is to head over to the top right corner over here, as you can see, and click on these three dots. All right, and then it will take you to this page. The next thing you want to do is head over to your power up, because that is where we would find the application to import our spreadsheet CSV to Trello. So we'll click on that, and then you head over to the search bar over here and type import CSV. All right, so you click on the enter button and it will give you this option. So this is to export, this is for workspace report, this is to import, and this is to import. All right, so we have two options over here. So to be working with the first one, we just click on that, and then the first thing you want to do is to add that application to your Trello. You click on add. All right, and add it over here, and then when you head down over here, you see that you have to accept the terms and conditions of this application, authorized with Trello. All right, and as you can see, you're already gaining access to import. So it will bring up this option, and when you choose file, you can just head over to your dashboard over here and pick whichever file you want to, and then that's the process to import your spreadsheet CSV file to Trello. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was simple and short for you, and this tutorial was clear. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.